In this video, I'm going to show you the parts of the sewing machine. So make sure you watch the video up to the end and don't forget to subscribe for more sewing and pattern drafting tutorials. So let's start by looking at the stitch selector. So this stitch selector helps you to select the stitch that you want just by turning this thing round. So there are different types of stitches. There's a zigzag stitch, straight stitch, and many more. All you have to do is turn it like I am doing and select the stitch that you want. Then next we have the tension. This is a tension. You move this up and down to select the tension you want, if you want it to be too tight or too loose. So the standard tension is 4, but it can go all the way up to 9 just by moving this little thing around. Then the next sewing machine part we're going to look at is going to be the stitch length. So you can choose the shortest stitch length, which is 1, go to 2, 3, and up to 4. For this machine it goes only up to 4. Then this is the reverse stitch. You just press it down and you get your reverse stitch, back stitch. And this is why you wind your bobbin. So I'm going to show you how to wind your bobbin in my other video. Make sure you check my other video. This is the spool where you put your thread. Then the next part we're going to look at is this. It's just the wheel for turning the machine. Then we have this thing we use to press on the presser foot when stitching. It helps you to stitch with electricity. So this is an electrical sewing machine. You press on it and you sew with electricity. Then this is where we put our needles.